Once upon a time in a forest lived a curious little fox named Felix. One day, he stumbled upon a sparkling stream that glimmered in the sunlight. Mesmerized, he decided to take a sip, but just as he bent down, he spotted a sleek, golden fish darting beneath the surface. Excited, Felix immediately thought of ways to catch the fish for lunch. He devised a plan, using sticks and rocks to try and trap the fish, but each attempt failed miserably. Frustrated and tired, he decided to rest under a nearby tree. As he lay there, he overheard an elderly tortoise slowly making her way to the stream. With great patience, she simply waited and quietly watched the water. Intrigued, Felix observed her as she did not rush, but instead moved calmly, and within moments, the fish swam to the surface. Seizing the opportunity, the tortoise caught the fish with her slow but steady approach. Realizing he had been too hasty, Felix learned that sometimes patience and persistence can lead to better rewards than rush and eagerness. The moral of the story is that patience and careful observation often yield greater results than hasty action.